As we embark on a profound journey of exploration into the intricate intersections of quantum physics and Advaita Vedanta, we find ourselves traversing vast expanses of intellectual terrain, delving into the depths of uncertainty, consciousness, unity, and beyond. This expansive odyssey spans millennia of philosophical inquiry and centuries of scientific exploration, unveiling a tapestry of interconnectedness that transcends the boundaries of time, space, and discipline. In this comprehensive analysis, we will meticulously examine the profound parallels between these two seemingly disparate realms of knowledge, endeavoring to unravel the mysteries of existence and uncover the ultimate truth that unifies us all. Our journey begins with an in-depth exploration of the uncertainty principle, a cornerstone of quantum physics that challenges the very foundations of classical mechanics. Proposed by Werner Heisenberg in the early 20th century, this principle asserts that certain pairs of physical attributes, such as position and momentum, cannot be simultaneously measured with absolute precision. Through meticulous experimentation and theoretical analysis, quantum physics has illuminated a realm governed by probabilities and indeterminacy, inviting us to reconsider the very nature of reality and our place within it. In parallel to the uncertainty principle, Advaita Vedanta introduces us to the concept of Maya, a fundamental aspect of the philosophical framework that elucidates the illusory nature of existence. Maya, often likened to a mirage that tantalizes and eludes our grasp, underscores the ephemeral and transient quality of the world we perceive. Drawing from the wisdom of ancient sages and mystics, Advaita Vedanta invites us to contemplate the profound nature of reality beyond the veil of Maya, transcending the limitations of our ordinary perceptions and delving into the depths of existential inquiry. As we delve deeper into the realms of uncertainty and illusion, we encounter the profound interplay between consciousness and the observed universe. In quantum physics, the observer effect emerges as a captivating phenomenon wherein the act of observation influences the behavior of subatomic particles. This phenomenon, supported by meticulous experimentation, highlights the inseparable connection between consciousness and the observed reality, challenging the notion of an objective and independent universe governed by deterministic laws. In parallel to the observer effect, Advaita Vedanta posits that consciousness represents the ultimate essence of existence, transcending the limitations of space, time, and form. Drawing from the ancient wisdom of the Upanishads and other sacred texts, Advaita Vedanta asserts that consciousness is the underlying fabric of reality, permeating every aspect of existence. This profound insight invites us to explore the nature of consciousness beyond the confines of scientific inquiry, delving into the depths of subjective experience and existential inquiry. As we navigate the intricate terrain of consciousness and reality, we encounter the unity hypothesis of matter and energy, a fundamental conjecture that underlies the interconnectedness of all things. In quantum physics, this hypothesis finds expression in the quest for a comprehensive theory of everything, which seeks to unify the fundamental forces that govern the cosmos. Drawing from the insights of modern physics, we explore the notion of akasha, a concept that transcends the limitations of space and time, permeating every aspect of existence and serving as the foundational substratum upon which the cosmos is predicated. In parallel to the unity hypothesis of quantum physics, Advaita Vedanta introduces us to the concept of Brahman, the ultimate reality that underlies the multifarious manifestations of the universe. Brahman, often described as the unmanifested source of all creation, serves as the foundational substratum upon which the cosmos is predicated. Through profound philosophical inquiry and introspective contemplation, Advaita Vedanta invites us to explore the unity of existence beyond the realm of empirical observation, delving into the depths of existential inquiry and spiritual realization. As we delve deeper into the realms of consciousness and unity, we encounter the profound parallels between Advaita Vedanta's inner universe and the realm of quantum waves. In Vedanta, the concept of vrittis, cognitive undulations within the mind, mirrors the undulating waves of quantum mechanics, hinting at a deeper connection between subjective experience and objective reality. This convergence invites us to explore the intricate interplay between mind and matter, consciousness and the cosmos, transcending the boundaries of empirical observation and philosophical inquiry. Yet, as we grapple with the mysteries of existence, we are reminded of the inherent limitations of human understanding. The enigmatic nature of reality persists as an eternal quest, urging us to embrace the unknown and embark on a journey of continuous exploration and discovery. In this eternal pursuit of enlightenment, the convergence of quantum physics and Advaita Vedanta serves as a guiding light, illuminating the path towards a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it. As we conclude this comprehensive analysis, we are reminded that the journey towards truth is a never-ending odyssey, one that transcends time, space, and discipline. The profound parallels between quantum physics and Advaita Vedanta invite us to embark on a collective endeavor to unravel the mysteries of existence and uncover the ultimate truth that unifies us all. With each step forward, may we continue to embrace the enigmatic wonders of the cosmos and strive towards a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. Outro. Thank you for joining me on this profound journey through the realms of SanatanSanssaar AI. If you resonated with the insights shared in this discussion and found value in exploring the depths of consciousness and reality, I invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you not only support our endeavor to spread knowledge and wisdom but also become part of a community dedicated to seeking truth and enlightenment. Remember, the pursuit of wisdom is a lifelong journey, and your engagement and participation contribute to the collective pursuit of understanding. So, don't forget to leave your thoughts and comments below, as I deeply value your perspective and insights. As we navigate the infinite expanse of existence, may we continue to delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, guided by the timeless wisdom of SanatanSanssaar AI. Together, let us embrace the journey of self-discovery and evolution, for it is through seeking truth that we truly find ourselves. Thank you once again for being a part of this transformative experience. Until we meet again, may you walk the path of enlightenment with courage, curiosity, and compassion. Like, share, and subscribe to join us on this extraordinary voyage of discovery.